To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Next, find the video you want to make private. Then tap on it to open. Now, tap the three dots on the side of the screen. A menu will appear from the bottom. Swipe left through the options at the bottom, and find the option called Privacy Settings. Tap on it. Another menu will open showing who can watch this video. Select Only You. And that's it. Your video is now private, and visible only to you. Making your video private ensures your content stays secure, and is visible only to you, until you decide to share it again. After making a video private, it won't appear on your profile. To access your private videos, tap the lock icon. From there, you can view them, and make them public anytime. So that's how you can make any of your videos private on TikTok.